So guys, today in front of us is the all-new Suzuki Dzire 2024. We are going to be drive reviewing this car, guys, and special thanks to Bhandari Automobiles Kolkata, located at Newtown Rajarhat. If you're planning on buying any Suzuki vehicle, you know where to reach out to. They have both Nexa and Arena, guys. So the address of that showroom will be in the description. Do reach out and book your Suzuki vehicle when you are ready. This particular car comes with a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine which earns 80 horsepower and 112 newton meters of torque. Of course, down on power, but you do get fuel efficiency. You have to sacrifice something if you want something, guys. So that is what it is. Let us get inside this 5-star rated safety compact sedan and understand how it feels to drive altogether. So guys, we are now sitting in the all new Dzire 2024, guys. Today we are going to be driving this car and understanding how it feels to drive overall. So let's get started without any delay. First gear mein hai gaadi and let's pick up. So as we are all aware, this car comes with a new 1.2 liter 3-cylinder engine which comes in the Swift as well. And if you want to check the drive review of the Swift, you can check it out on the top right corner. I'll place the link there. So in terms of power, it is definitely down. 8 horsepower down, and in terms of torque also it has gone down. It's now stands at 112 Newton meters, guys, and 80 horsepower. But of course, this car was not designed for performance. This car was designed for fuel efficiency. So if you are planning on buying a car which gives you good amount of fuel efficiency, you don't need to look any further. This is the car that you'll need. It's compact, easy to drive, very easy to handle as well. Very light steering wheel, smooth shifts so far. So when we talk about power delivery, when you're talking about overtaking, it will be a task because you will have to time your overtakes with this car, because of course it doesn't offer that amount of power as it used to earlier. So that is one thing you'd need to look out for. Now we are going through breakers, and the suspension setup is sublime, guys. I mean, you cannot feel anything in this car when it comes to jerks and bumps, because that's how the suspension has been set up in this particular car. Even for the Swift, it is a very smooth and sublime suspension setup, and it doesn't feel like you are driving a car which is, too difficult to handle at all, because it's very easy to handle overall. In terms of braking also, it's pretty good so far, and we will be doing a brake test in a bit once we catch some speed. But let me take you all through some bad patches of road and make you all understand the suspension better. So currently we are going through some bad patches of road, and it is just walking over it. I mean, there is no feel inside the cabin whatsoever, guys. It feels so smooth, feels so sublime, and the suspension setup is like really soft, guys. So it's going to be a very comfortable journey if you are going through bad roads for sure. There you go. I mean, I don't feel a thing. So it's the same as what we have in the Swift. It's slightly different compared to what we have in the Swift. Slightly, the tuning is a bit different, I can feel, but it is still much more sublime, comfortable and smooth. There is no issues whatsoever. I mean, look at that. You can't feel a thing at all, and I'm not exaggerating, guys. You can test drive it for yourself and see it for yourself, because it does feel a lot smoother at the moment compared to the outgoing model of the Dzire, guys. So far I'm really enjoying driving it. One more thing I'd like to state, guys, this car is designed for fuel efficiency. It is definitely future ready. Cost of running will also go down, and other brands will need to catch up. Maruti has always been on the forefront of mileage for sure. When you buy a Maruti car, be it any Maruti car, you never have to worry about fuel efficiency, and that is what they are definitely known for. So it's a future ready car, guys, and definitely it's loaded with tech. Let's test the body roll. So as you guys can understand, it's a sedan, planted car, no body roll whatsoever, and we are at 60. Braking, and braking is also pretty good unexpectedly. I did not expect the braking to be so good, guys. So in terms of overall driving, what I'm trying to say is it's really giving a very comfortable feel, and it's giving confidence while you are braking. But in terms of enthusiasm, it's definitely not up to par, and this is not an enthusiastic vehicle whatsoever, guys. Let me be very clear about that. you buy this car for fuel efficiency. If you're mainly a city driver, this car is going to be very comfortable for you, even if you're driving a manual, because the clutch feel is really light, shifts are really smooth, it's like butter, and steering feel is super light, guys. There is no heft to it whatsoever, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have feedback. It has a lot of feedback. Even though it is, on the lighter side, it does offer great amount of steering feedback, so you do not have to worry कि यार light steering है, and see, we're going through so much bad road right now, and it's performing really well in terms of driving, guys. So I mean, Maruti Dzire has definitely knocked it out of the park in terms of their safety rating, in terms of their first in segment features, and in terms of how it feels to drive overall, guys. I mean, definitely I'm very impressed, not at all disappointed whatsoever. Fuel efficiency ke liye to ye gaadi, it's on another level, guys. So we are going to be a little bit enthusiastic. We have some sort of a plain road, so let's come to a standstill. Let's see a 0 to 100, and you heard that wheel spin, and it's linear. Pickup is really linear, and it is definitely not an enthusiastic car, guys. That is for sure. So when you are in the mid-range around 20 to 60, it does pick up really well. But as soon as you cross 60, it starts to pant. The engine starts to struggle a bit. So we're going to try that once more on this patch of road. We're going to come to a standstill. The best part is it revs all the way to 6,000 RPM, guys. And we could only do 0 to 80, unfortunately, guys. We do not have a lot of space. But the braking, again, as we were being a little bit enthusiastic. The brakes are really great, and they respond really well, and it instills a lot of confidence when you are driving a little bit enthusiastically. So again, as I was saying, the mid-range of this car is really good, but engine gets boomy when you are revving it. You can hear the engine noise, but that 3-cylinder feel is not there in the cabin. You don't feel that 3-cylinder vibration inside the cabin. So the cabin is really well insulated, guys. This is one factor where not all the brands shine. Okay, when it comes to a 3-cylinder engine, not all the brands shine, but Maruti definitely shines in that particular category, because you don't feel a lot of vibration. There is not a lot of engine noise unless you're being enthusiastic, and overall it has been a very comfortable drive for me, guys. I'm really enjoying it, even though I myself am an enthusiastic driver, and I like driving cars a little bit enthusiastically, of course not dangerously, but a little bit enthusiastically, yes. But this is not a disappointment whatsoever, guys. It's got good amount of punch for city. It's churning good amount of miles as well. Right now, it's giving me an economy of 10.7. I mean, look at that. I'm being, overly enthusiastic also sometimes and everything, but it's still giving me good amount of economy. AC is also on. So overall, this car has been made well. A lot of thought has been gone into it for Indian conditions, of course. And I think they have definitely worked on those necessary areas where the Indian consumer really wants fuel efficiency, that easy to drive feel, of course, how the traffic is in the city, in Indian cities, we all know that. So I think all those points have been taken into consideration by Maruti, and they've always taken this into consideration, and it has always been an easy to drive car, simple to drive car, easy to maintain. Plus, if it breaks down anywhere also, which it rarely will, it will not break down. Even if it does, a local mechanic on the road will fix your car very easily, which is not possible with all the brands available on the market. So these are certain advantages that the Maruti brand carries, the Suzuki brand carries with them, and that is why they have over 50% of market share. So yes, Suzuki is again providing the 5-star safety as well with this car, so they're definitely going to kill it in the sales of the Dzire for sure, guys, because safety is such a big concern nowadays with the Indian consumer, where every brand is trying to outdo the other brand. They all want 5 stars. They all want to ensure that whoever buys their car is the safest. So, I think that competition is healthy, because now brands are also realizing that Indian consumer wants the best in terms of what they are buying when it comes to cars. So safety is a very big factor, and I think Maruti has really taken into consideration that the Indian consumer now also looks out for safety, and they have worked on it and they have performed very well on that front. So yeah, this was my video, guys, about the Suzuki Dzire. मैं बार बार Swift बोल दे रहा हूँ because I'm so used to Swift Dzire, but this is the Dzire now, guys. This is not the Swift Dzire anymore. This was my video, guys, of the Suzuki Dzire. In summary, the suspension setup is really good, fuel economy is amazing, and in terms of the ride comfort, that is also pretty good. Great visibility, the mirrors are also pretty big, and you feel that confidence when you are braking this car as well. Yes, you have to time your overtakes because it's not as enthusiastic as it used to be. That is one thing, but again, you have to sacrifice certain things if you want something, because if you want fuel efficiency, that is in demand, you have to sacrifice power. So this is what it is, guys, in summary of how the Swift overall feels. It feels great overall to me. I'm really impressed with the driving of this car. But let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the all-new Suzuki Dzire? Have you taken the test drive of it? How did you feel when you drove this car? Do let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much to Bhandari Automobiles, located at Newtown Rajrat, guys. So if you're planning on buying a Suzuki car from Kolkata, the address of the showroom will be on the screen, and you can definitely come and check out their cars on offer. Thank you once again for joining me in this video. I really appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video as much as possible. I'll see you on the next one. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.